Capital strategy. Cash flow management is the lifeline of any business. You must prioritize your capital allocation to ensure the best return. There are two sides to capital strategy: sources and uses. Sources. How will you obtain your funds to get your business in motion? Debt or capital? There are numerous investment structures out there, and I highly suggest that you speak with a trusted corporate finance professional when going about this process. Uses. The more important thing for you, the business owner, is the use of capital and profits going forward. How will you prioritize cash on a monthly basis? In 1943, R.W. Johnson Jr. inked the infamous Johnson & Johnson Credo. J&J has operated successfully since and still lives according to this credo. This document provides a guideline for the priorities relating to Johnson & Johnson's business. Paraphrasing the credo, it reads, "Our first responsibility is to the doctors, nurses, patients, mothers and fathers, and all those who use our products and services." Then it goes on to say, "We are responsible to our employees, the men and women who work with us throughout the world. Next, we are responsible to the communities in which we live and work, and to the world community as well. And finally, our responsibility is to our stockholders." Most of the educational textbooks list shareholders as the first priority. The J&J Credo provides a much better foundation than the traditional business school logic when thinking about your capital strategy. We can prioritize the use of cash on a monthly basis into various categories. Minimum cash balance. This should always be number one. How much money do you need to keep as a safety net? This is the just-in-case capital that will keep you afloat until the next sales cycle. Rather than delaying payments to your suppliers, keep some cash around so you don't have to worry about diminishing the relationship with that supplier. Your people. How will you share the company's success with your employees? Profit sharing is the greatest mechanism to incentivize all employees and is a great sustainability strategy. Your strategies. Which business strategies will you reinvest capital to grow your business? This will likely depend on what stage of the business life cycle you are in. Perhaps you need to start saving capital to offset discounts you want to provide to your long-standing customers a few months ahead. This is a great relationship business strategy. Your community. How will you give back to your local community? If you don't have the cash flow available to donate, use company time to volunteer with your employees. Yet another great sustainability strategy. Your investors. What type of return will you promise to your investors? Debt can fall into this category, but is likely to be higher on the priority scale, as defaulting or paying late can have bad repercussions on the credibility of your business. When forecasting cash for the upcoming months, you should plan to allocate to each of these categories as it becomes available on a relative and absolute basis. Here's an example of how to set your capital strategy. Minimum cash balance of $10,000, meaning we always want to keep a minimum of $10,000 if we can, until we start to allocate cash to other aspects of the business. Any cash over $10,000 will start to break out to all the different strategies. 10% to the employees, then 25% to the search engine marketing or pay-per-click, then 15% to purchase gifts to give away at sales meetings to potential clients. Then we'll start socking away 15% to save up for that new machine to develop a better product. 15% will be saved to offset the discount we will offer the long-standing customers at the end of the quarter. 10% will be given back to the community. This could be used to compensate employees for the time off they spend volunteering. And then finally 10% to the investors. So in this example, suppose we had $90,000 at the end of the month. We subtract $10,000, leaving us with $80,000 to allocate. So based on our prioritization, 10% means we'll give $8,000 in bonuses to the employees. $20,000 will be used for next month's search engine marketing. $12,000 will be used to purchase gifts for those sales meetings. $12,000 will be saved to buy that new machine. Another $12,000 will be saved to offset the discounts. $8,000 will be used to give to the community. And finally, $8,000 back to our investors. Understanding your capital strategy of the BROCS Blueprint will allow you to take a strategic approach to your business. BROCS Blueprint establishes the metrics of your business to properly identify your strategies, good and bad. Our program is designed to help you determine the critical success factors of your value proposition. BROCS Blueprint utilizes Microsoft Excel to fully consolidate all your company data from pre-existing software into one document. This management tool provides an objective source of information which enables you to develop and achieve your business goals. For more information, email us at brocs@hieconsulting.com or visit our website,